how to check screen time on Android devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check screen time on Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now from here, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And now here, once you are inside it, in this section, you'll see a chart of your screen time. Now from here, you can simply tap on unlock section, and now from here you can see the chart of your app uses. And now from here, you can just tap on dashboard or show data option, and there you'll see total screen time, time spent on each apps, and number of unlocks and notification. Now there you can tap on each apps to see the daily usage or the weekly one as well. And that's it. That's how you can check screen time on Android devices. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.